Wire tensioner to the Simplex, which rides on the two steel bars holding the tailstock. This tensioner eliminates the operator from having to guide the wire during the winding process and supplying the proper wire tension by hand, which is tiring and requires concentration during the wind. The tension is supplied by wrapping a turn of wire around the large 4-inch diameter disc with a rubber O-ring at the bottom of the V-groove. The wire comes from the despooler on the floor below the machine and through the eyelet and felt clamp and over the top of the disc and around once. Start the wrap around the disc to the left of the O-ring and finish the single wrap on the right side. The wire goes beneath the shoulder bolt next to the felt clamps. The operator guides the assembly by hand. The tensioner is also available for use on the HDH machine, which has a traverse mechanism moving the tensioner. It is also used on the star winder as an option. The tension is adjustable from very light tension to 30 or more pounds. The machine is now shown winding 13 AWG wire on a 4-inch square winding form, which requires about 29 pounds of tension. This tension requires about 4 full cranks of the tension adjustment cranking the middle of the tension disc. When the winding is finished, the whole assembly can be moved back away from its position and out of the operator's way for finishing operations. When a new winding form is started, there will be excess wire which can be pulled tight by pulling the wire from the wire entry eyelet. The tensioner is moved into winding position. If high tension is being used, reverse the crank a few turns from the tensioner adjustment so the wire can be moved with ease. Restore the original setting by counting the few turns of the crank. The tensioner comes with 2 sets of felt pads for the braking disc. For the lighter wires, the 4-inch diameter pads can be replaced with 2 1.5-inch diameter pads for more sensitive control of the braking. The tensioner is mounted on a 3/4-inch steel rod which fits into a hole at the end of the carriage. This block with the hole is adjustable forward and back, and the steel rod can be set up or down at different heights. The top bar with the roller wire guide at the end can be tilted up or down at any angle and locked into position with one bolt. Try one and put it to work for you.
Oh, that sounds good, yeah.